In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix add-ons not working in Stremio. If your Stremio add-ons are not loading, not responding, or simply not working the way they should, there are several things you can do to troubleshoot the issue. We'll go through the process in a clear order so you can test each possible fix and move on only if needed. First, check your internet connection. Open a website or another streaming service and make sure everything is loading properly. If your connection is weak or unstable, add-ons may fail to load correctly. If necessary, restart your router and then test Stremio again once your connection is stable. Next, restart Stremio completely. Close the app fully, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. After that, test the add-on again. This is a simple step, but it often fixes temporary glitches that can affect add-on performance. If the problem continues, make sure Stremio is updated. Open the app, check whether an update is available, and install the latest version if needed. Once the update is complete, restart the application. An outdated version of Stremio can sometimes cause compatibility problems with newer add-ons. You can also try reinstalling the specific add-on that is causing the issue. Open the add-on section, find the add-on that is not working, and uninstall it. Then restart Stremio and reinstall that add-on. This can help if the add-on's configuration has become corrupted. Another useful step is to log out of your Stremio account and then log back in. Sign out, close the app, reopen it, and sign in again. This refreshes your account sync and can restore add-on settings properly. If that doesn't work, clear Stremio's cache. Close the application, clear its cache data, and then reopen it. Corrupted cache files can interfere with normal add-on behavior, so this is a worthwhile step. You should also verify whether the add-on itself is actually available. Sometimes the issue is not with Stremio at all. The add-on server may be down, the developer may be performing maintenance, there may be API-related problems, or the add-on may have been discontinued. Try testing